Well, isn't this a nice indication of this winter in New England? And why I haven't been hiking very much at all since the fall, really. Oh, this will make for some fun snowshoes coming up. Hopefully I'll be back out on the trails at some point with my snowshoes on. Checking this out, we haven't had this much snow in probably since the 2014 to 15 winter. That was the year of the Great Snow Blitz. We had a lot more snow in that winter than we do here in 2026, but this is definitely the most snow that we've had since then. Being capped off by the blizzard of 2026. I say capped off, it's not capped off. We're gonna get more coming up. It's what, February 23rd? So we have a few more snowstorms in the pipeline, no doubt. This will probably be the most dramatic one of this winter.